So we got shark car, monster
Daddy.
truck.
Hey.
This is what you got for Christmas, right?
Yeah, he's there.
He's fast. All right. Let's see. His name is Megaldon.
Yes.
And Megaldon will go against the Batmobile. And who? And Landon is Megaldon. Let's move this over here. The shark, monster truck, monster jam.
Yes.
And I got the Batmobile. We're about to race. Who's gonna be the winner?
Me. I need a yes.
Okay.
Take the P.O.D.
On your mark. Get set, go. And the winner is Megaldon. Megaldon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Show you a Megaldon monster truck jam trick. Let's show them. Whoa. And now we're going to show you how it works in water. Let's go. Move, go. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, Landon, what is Megaldon about to do?
About to go up this hill and go back.
So he's about to go up the hill? All right, let's see who can go up the hill. Go.